Hello, I'm Chef Christopher Fitzpatrick with Occasional Occasions by Carlton Catering. Hope you're doing well. So, it's summertime, and guess what? We all want to be outside, but we still want to be able to cook a delicious, healthy meal and not spend a lot of time in doing that. So, I've created a number of segments to show you how to create a healthy meal within 30 minutes utilizing our gourmet seasonings and sauces and rubs for that outdoor barbecue. So, uh, our Bon Appetit Y'all product line will give you that opportunity to create a wonderful and delicious healthy meal for yourself and your family. And again, within 30 minutes and less than 5 ingredients. Bon Appetit, y'all.
Now, if you want to kick that chicken up a little bit without even using a barbecue sauce, here's some of my 4 favorite spice blends for chicken. A little something, something, some sweet heat, dry marinade rub, some herbalicious marinade rub, and also that Cajun blackened seasoning. And of course, I put a little pinch of kosher salt. Now, if you want a little bit more heat to it, how about add a little bit more of that sweet heat dry marinade rub? Customize it based on your flavor profile. Now that we have this chicken all spiced up with our Bon Appetit Y'all by Carlton spice blends, now it's time to put this bird on the grill. Make sure your grill is piping hot. Listen to that sizzle. That's why I lay this chicken on the grill. Now, I added a little bit more of that sweet heat to my rub because I wanted to get a little bit more spice. But again, it's all up to you in terms of your flavor profile. Play with your food. So y'all, as we build this meal, it's all about keeping it simple. Some of you may have been indoors all day. That is, if you have, a 9-to-5 office job and you want to get outside and relax a little bit. So here we go. We got some carrots here, and we're going to drizzle these carrots with a little bit of olive oil. And of course, we're going to season them with our Bon Appetit Y'all by Carlton Chipotle seasoning. And once these babies hit the grill, that Chipotle seasoning on these carrots is going to create this really nice caramelization, and it's going to be really beautiful and tasty. Try it. Now that we have seasoned our carrots, look how beautiful they are, glistening with that olive oil, with that chipotle seasoning, spice rub on that. These are going to be absolutely delicious, and that chicken is cooking up very well. So y'all, we are continuing to build this meal, and yes, it's going to be ready in 30 minutes or less. So we're here on the broccoli segment, and broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables because it is so versatile in terms of the preparation. So we're going to drizzle this broccoli with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm using some sea salt here, very coarse salt so that I can really feel it between my fingers. And we're blending that with a little bit of our Bon Appetit Y'all by Carlton lemon and garlic seasoning mix and some everything bagel seasoning. That's going to add a little bit more crunch to our broccoli. And this everything bagel has some poppy seeds and white sesame seeds, some black sesame seeds, a little bit of minced onion and garlic. So it's going to be really good and flavorful. Here we are at the grill with our broccoli. We're going to let this cook until tender. And look over here at these beautiful carrots. See how they are glistening. And I told you when we added that chipotle seasoning, it's going to have that nice caramelization. Very, very good. Okay, so here we are on to dessert. So I have some cantaloupe, and I'm going to dress the cantaloupe with our Bon Appetit Y'all by Carlton Cinnamon Sugar Dash. And I let that rest for about 15 to 20 minutes because I wanted that wonderful blend of the seasonings and the juices of that cantaloupe to just actually meld together, because it's going to create this beautiful caramelization on the cantaloupe as we grill it. Look at this beautiful plate of dessert. The caramelization on that cantaloupe and that vanilla bean ice cream. And then, of course, you want to top that with a little bit more of that Bon Appetit Y'all by Carlton Cinnamon Sugar Dash mix. Wonderful.